Okay, class. How are you today? Good, fine. So, how's your lunch? Okay. So today you are going to be with Miss Ayu. Okay, in this session in Hella subject, right? Okay, but before that, is there anyone not coming today? Krishna and who? Krishna and? Wow. Oh, but not. Oh, okay. So Krishna is not coming today, and then Kalista and Dira. Okay. So before we start the class, can you help me? Who gonna lead our prayer today? Okay, Nico, please. Okay. Thank you, Nico. Okay. So are you ready? Okay, but before that, we are going to play games. Okay, so games name count until 5. So every time you got the number 5 and multiple 5, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay, until 50. Okay, so when it's turn for you, the number is 5 or 10 or 15, so it means it's your turn to share about the things that you like. Okay, so what? Maybe like favorite food or maybe favorite movie, favorite story, it's up to you. Okay, just the one who got the number 5, 10, 15, okay, until 50. So are you ready? Yeah. Okay, start from me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. What do you wanna share? Favorite food? Yes. Sushi. Okay, thank you. Next, Hannah. 10. Okay.
Favorite film?
Yes.
Yeah, favorite film.
Yes.
Yeah.
Movie.
My favorite movie is
What? What's your favorite movie?
wait. Okay, so my favorite movie is in bioskop. This in bioskop Barbie.
You like Barbie? Are you Ken? Okay. Okay. Next, Jaden. Before 35, and then 36, 37. 40.
40. My favorite activity. Activity is playing games.
Playing games, okay. Got already one. We count until 50. So I hope that you are ready to have our class today. Okay, so let's see what will we learn today. Here, so what will we learn today? So, what? Okay, like before that, Miss, I already mentioned that today we are going to discuss about writing. Okay, so in this session we are going to learn about how to write a text, yeah, in a coherent. Do you know what is a coherent means? Forgot? But do you ever heard about it? Yeah. Who ever heard about it? Yes, Gang Atta. But you forgot about the meaning. Okay, coherent means that from one ideas to the other ideas is connected. Okay, so we are going to try to write a text with what's that? It's connected from one ideas to the others. Okay, and then here Miss Ayu has the what's that? The story. Have you ever read or maybe listen or watch this kind of story? Have you? Yeah? Okay, so bawang merah and bawang putih. In English we call it red shallot and garlic. Who still remember the story about?
I forgot how I remember.
Yeah, you know the story but you forgot the story? When did you hear or listen to the story?
I was 3.
When you were 5.
K1.
In K1. Okay, but you forgot the story. Okay, so Miss Ayu will read the story then for you, and then later we will check, we will discuss about the story. But actually here is the story, but since it's too small for you, yeah, I guess that you cannot read it clearly, so that's why I wanna read it for you. Okay, so let's listen for the story. Okay, so along with her stepmother, Bawang Putih share a home with Bawang Merah, her stepsister. Okay, so when Bawang Putih was a baby, her mother passed away. After everything was finished, the old woman returned the clothes. She also gave Bawang Putih a gift. The old woman had 2 pumpkins. One was small and the other one was bigger. And Bawang Putih had to choose only one. What do you think? Which one then the Bawang Putih will choose? The big one or the small one? The small one. You remember the story then? Yes, Bawang Putih was not a greedy girl, so she took the small one. Bawang Putih returned home after thanking the elderly lady. When she arrived home, her stepmother and Bawang Merah were angry. She smashed the pumpkin on the floor. They were screaming. There were a lot of snakes inside of the pumpkin. They were really scared. They were afraid the snakes would bite them. Mommy, I think God just punished us. We had done bad things to Bawang Putih, and God didn't like that. We have to apologize to Bawang Putih, said Bawang Merah. Finally, they realized their mistake. They apologized and Bawang Putih forgave them. Now, the family is not poor anymore. Bawang Putih decided to sell all the jewelries and use the money for their daily life. The end. Okay, so that was the story about Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih. Did you get some point from the story? Yes. What's that? Be respectful to others. To other. What else? Okay. Yes. Always. Yeah. Be nice. Be kind. Behave.
Always be a good person.
Okay. Be a good person. Yes.
Don't be too greedy.
And don't be too greedy. Yeah. Okay. Who else wanna share the things? Enough? Ready? Okay. So this kind of story also we call it narrative text. Do you still remember about narrative text? Forget to the narrative text, like we find in the story, there is a sequence or some events on it. Okay, and then here, okay, let's see now from the story. Okay, Miss Ayu will find. Okay, so this is the mind mapping. Okay, the mind mapping of the narrative text itself. Okay, so let's try to find the title. Do you still remember the title of the story before? Okay, so we find the title. What about the characters that you find from the story? Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih, yeah. Yeah, in Old Ladies, it's near river, I guess. Yeah, because it was in river. And then what else? Event. Okay, so event means that the things that we find on the story start from beginning until the last one. So what kind of event that we find before? For example, like the first one, it's talking about Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih. Mother was passed away, right? At the beginning, and then after that, she needs to be with her stepsister and also stepmother, because that goes to the conflict. Okay, the conflict or the problem from the story. So what happened with the clothes? Was away by the river. And then, so what should the Bawang Putih do then after that? Run to find the clothes, yes. And then after that, because look at there's the event, and then one of the event also we can find the conflict and the solution. Yeah, the solution. That's the first. What's that? The first conflict, and then the solution to. Finally, she got the clothes, but she need to help the old lady, right? To do the household chores also. And then after that we find another conflict. What happened with the mommy, with the stepmother and the stepsister after that? Yeah, got angry, and then got but she found the, what's that, the pumpkin with the jewelries. So the solution after that? Apologize. Yes, apologize to Bawang Putih. That's okay. Yeah. And the conclusion, the last one. Finally, bawang putih, sell, yeah, so the jewelries to, so they not poor anymore, right? Yeah, and then what about the moral value? We find the moral value also in the mind mapping of the, yes, the moral value, yeah. Yeah, being grateful that what you have, and then before I got, yeah, be respectful also, right? Okay, but did you see it on the story, the text itself? No, yeah. So in the text also it's implicit, right? Okay, so that's we call it moral value. We can find it in the story also. Yeah, and then the language use. Can you find the language use? The things that we use, like the tenses, like the verb, like the conjunctive maybe. Do you got it? Because it's narrative, this is fiction. So the story is not real. Yeah, this is the narrative, is not real. So we use the past tense. Do you still remember about past tense? The verb, what verb do you use? Verb 1, 2 or 3? 2, okay. Like before, some of the example like run, the what's that, bawang merah, run, and then we can find it, ran, right? So we use, so that's the mind mapping for the narrative text itself, okay? And then next, since you still remember that the text itself, it's belong to folklore. Okay, this is about the narrative already. Yeah, the narrative itself is the kind of text that includes some what's that, events. Okay, from one event to the other event, and then next after that, this is the what is that called, the social function also. So entertaining, and also we can what's that, educate the reader about it. And then now, this is the poster also. Okay, this is our project. Okay, so we are going to find your groups, and then you can discuss with your group the text that Miss Ayu prepare you on your Google Classroom. So you may check it. You discuss with your group first, and then you can find the moral value itself, and then let's try to create the story based on the moral value that you got. Okay, 3 texts, okay, 3 kinds of text. You choose first with your group, and then after that you can try to put some drafting. Okay, I already prepare you in your Google Classroom, so you may check it. After that you create the story together with your group. Okay, so do you remember your group? Okay, remember? Okay, yes, let's see. Miss Ayu will call your name. Okay, so have you checked your Google Classroom? Yes. Who's not yet? Already. Okay, so you check your Google Classroom, and then you find the group first. You got it already, your group? Yeah, based on your group 1, 2, 3 or 4, and then after that you have to discuss with your group what text. I mean, Miss Ayu already prepare you 3 kinds of text. So you can choose with your group, discuss with your group first which text that you want to choose for the moral value. So you have to find the moral value, and then you can decide. For example, Princess Mandalika, you find the moral value first, and then after that you can try to create the story based on that moral value. Okay, you got it? And then so remember, when will we have, today I guess it will not finish for today, so you can continue maybe because you will share with your group, what's that, the Google Doc, so you work together with your group. So I will check which one that already share the ideas, which one is not yet, so everybody should be active in your group. Yeah, so let's set the time. When will we have the presentation, the next meeting? When? Because you will have HALA subject also on Friday and also next Monday. So what time will you ready to have presentation? Monday. Okay, so we are going to have presentation on next Monday. So now let's prepare it with your group. If you have some question, okay, let's feel free to ask me.
Sorry, about
Yes.
the presentation.
Yes, the
Do you mean
present-
we're gonna be reading the story out loud, or are we gonna be acting it out?
Reading the story. Just present it to your friends. That, what first one you can tell about the audience what text. I mean, yeah, because we have 3 texts, so you can tell about what text that you choose, and then the moral value, and then your story, and then we can ask the other audiences about what they think about the story. Is it related? Maybe they have their other opinion. Okay, that's related to the competition. Okay, so what about you? Okay, you work together here in the group. Okay, so I can see it that your friends already joined.
Batu Golok?
Batu Golok, yeah, Golok Stone. So you choose Golok Stone here. What group are you? Group 1. Okay, Golok Stone. So make sure all of your group know about the text that you choose. Yes. In your group there is the what group are you? Group,
Tiga.
group 3
Udah ini kan?
here.
Berarti
Yeah.
buatnya di Google Doc.
Yes. So, but here have you joined in group 3? The text you open it already?
Where?
This one. You are in group 3, right? Yeah, just open it. Yeah, just try to copy. Open it already?
Tapi ceritanya ini kita sama semua kan bisa.
Yeah, same. So you will have one story only.
Tapi siapa yang buat?
You do it together actually in the Google Doc. Can you?
Caranya?
Yeah, this one, the text here, the mind mapping. So you can discuss first which text that you want to choose. Here is Batu.
Nothing.
Not yet. Okay. So you can check first the 3 texts that I prepare you. Batu Golok, and then Princess Mandalika, or Lelampa, yeah, Lelampa Lendang Kau. So you can choose first, and then together with your group you read it, and then you find the moral value. Yeah, find the moral value, and then after that you try to create the same moral value but different story. Yeah, you got it. So you will make it together with your group. Yeah, okay, that's all. Let's try. Maybe you can open it. Can you try? Okay, Lelampa. Oh, you choose Batu Golok.
They say they pick the story Batu Golok.
Oh, Batu Golok. So means that make sure that each of the group also has the same decision. So you will choose Golok Stone. Yeah, Golok
They
Stone.
say it before. They
Who?
say they pick that.
They say this one, this group, right? Yeah. Okay. So means that you will find Batu Golok. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Miss. The leader, okay, in this group. Okay, thank you. Yes. Sorry. Yes.
If we present the story, right? We present the story that we made here, the narrative text.
Yes.
Do we have to like play out the roles, or do we not have to play out the role? Just read it.
For during presentation? Okay. No, just read it. Yeah, just read it. So you create your own story at the beginning. You can talk about what text that you choose, and the audiences about your story with your group. Okay, only just read it. But each of you will have your turn. I mean, maybe the first one will tell about the text that you choose, why you choose that text, and then the next one maybe tell about the moral value that you got from your group, and then after that you can tell about the story. Yeah, tell the story. Maybe 2 of you read it, and then after that we have the session, the question and answer. And then maybe the rest of it will answer the question. Yeah, so everybody should have your turn, your part.
For itu bareng-bareng together, right?
Yeah, for presentation you will go together in front of your friends. Okay, so from there also I can see that each of you know your part, and then you understand about the text that you got, and then the writing itself also. Okay. So who is the leader here? I mean the one who share the link to your friend. Gendis. Okay, Gendis is the leader here. Why Jaden is different? Jaden didn't get the link. Your friends already. Your friends already got the link. The Jaden got the link.
Same.
It's different. Can you? Not yet. It's different. See, like Gong Atta. So where's yours? The leader will share the link. So Gendis, did you share it? Share the link, Gendis. Where's Gendis? Gede Putra and Jaden through WhatsApp. Okay, check. So make sure I will check. Make sure that everybody already in the same document. You got it already? Okay, you got it. Okay, same. You got it already? Okay. Did you work in the same Google Doc? Did you? Who is the leader here? I mean the one who share the link, like your friend, they share the link and then you will do it together. Ready? Okay, can I see? Oh, but you're still working alone here?
Yeah, no, I just sent the link.
Oh, okay. I'll check later. Oh, okay, here. Yeah. Which text that you choose? Princess Mandalika. So who is the leader here? Princess Mandalika. Mandalika. Group 4, right? Yeah. Okay, group 4. Okay, thank you. You share it already, right, to all of your group members? Yeah, okay, thank you.
Cek dulu.
It's okay if you already know what do you want to write. It's okay, just go on it. Yeah.
Does it have to be about the story that we chose, or does it have to be similar to the story?
The moral value itself should be same.
Oh, doesn't have to be the same character, right?
No, it's you create your own characters, your own setting, the event also. Okay.
Cepet ya. Okay, now I can.
Yeah. Remember your imagination. Just create your imagination. Yes.
The story that we read.
Princess Mandalika Golok Stone. Gendis Group 2. Already? Yeah. So which one? So how is the progress? Is anybody already type something? Share the idea?
We write a
Oh, okay. So you choose Batu Golok for the text? You choose Batu Golok. Group 2 ya, Batu Golok. So what about you? You wanna choose Princess Mandalika?
Saya mau baca dari dulu.
Okay, discuss it with your group then. Okay. Oh. How about you, Jack? Have you shared the ideas? Yeah. Oh, okay. Nice. You already find the character. Yes. Okay. Lombok. It's okay. It's in Lombok or whenever you want because this is just fiction, right?
In America.
Yeah, it's okay. Maybe outer space is okay. Because this is just imagination. Just I mean, the setting is not real, but maybe if you want to put the name of the place, okay.
So like fake island. So we can make a fake island.
Yeah, that's okay. Because it's just a fiction. Okay. You find it already?
Ada orang berkembang.
The title? How was your? Wow.
Boy, nama karakternya apa? Nama karakternya si Purba.
You start to create the story already?
Yeah, we're starting it.
The title? Okay. The characters? Not yet. Okay. I guess we still have 5 more minutes. Okay. Oh.
Manusia berbanding.
Yeah, you got the what's that the instruction at the last one. When it's finished, then you try to put it on the Canva. Yeah, when it's already finished because it's ready for presentation next Monday. Okay.
Does it have to be in a poster, a presentation?
It's up to you because we are going to publish it, right? So you just make the design by with your group. So, how was your progress? You got the? Have you discussed about the title, the characters already? You got it? How was your progress with your group? You discussed with the characters already? So what do you got? The title already? Yeah, maybe the title you can discuss later. Maybe the characters? You got the characters setting? Not yet setting. Okay. How about the other group? How about here? Ah, okay. Yeah. This one. Yeah, after you finish making the draft and then you put it in here. Yeah, you can elaborate more about the text that your friends already made it. So this is actually the draft, right? So you can elaborate more in the text below, down. Yeah, down on it. After that, you need to submit it. After that, Miss Ayu will check first, and then you.
We rewrite the story.
Yeah, you rewrite again. So and then you will know is it connected or not, is it coherent or not, and then you can elaborate more. Yeah, in the drafting here, in the text here. Then I will check it this one. So tomorrow you can submit it. And then after I revise it, then you can put it in the Canva. Yeah, so you are ready to have your presentation next Monday. Okay, finished already? Not yet. Yeah, it's not yet because it should continue later. Okay, so I can see that everybody already put into the same document, right, in the Google Doc, same group. So make sure everybody already discuss and share the ideas on it. Yeah, and then so the graphic organizer or the mind mapping that you made now, you put it in the narrative text column, and then you need to submit it. So I will check first. Yeah, I will check first. I will see the what's that, the ideas that you made in your story, and then you can submit it tomorrow. Okay, you can submit it tomorrow in your Google Classroom, and then after that on Friday I will return it back to you. Then after that you are ready to put your text into Canva, so you are ready to have presentation on Monday. Okay, you got it? Yes. Okay, so I think so. Do you find any difficulties during making the narrative text with your group?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. What is the difficulties?
What is it? Discussing with the group because we all have different ideas.
Okay, you have different ideas. So and then how is the solution?
We have to match all of our ideas together, but okay, so one of the person in this group is trolling in the in the work. They're trolling. They're writing Rickroll. They're writing their music lyrics right now.
Okay, but then you find the solution. Each group. And then you find the ideas in the same group, right? Okay, another group, is there any difficulties you find? No, first group already fine. How about the third group? You're doing good also? Okay, thank you. So, that's for the activity today, okay, the class today. So, you already learned about writing, okay, sharing the ideas with your friends in your group. Because we start our activity with praying. So, who's gonna lead our prayer? Okay, Nico again. Yes. Okay. So, Nico. Okay, thank you. So that's the end for our activity today. I will see you on next Monday. Thank you. Good morning, 6-7A. Morning. How are you today? Good and fun. Okay, I'm so excited to see you today because this is our second meeting, right? Yes. Okay. So is there anybody not coming today? Krishna again not coming? Okay. Krishna again. Okay. Who else? Sam. Sam. Oh, okay. Samuel or Sam. Yeah. Who else? That's it. How about Dira? Dira, are you here? Okay, so last time you didn't join, right? And then how about Kalista? Kalista here. Okay, so today you will be with Miss Ayu, okay, for our Hela subject. Okay, before we start our class, who gonna lead our prayer? Okay, Jaden, please.
Is everyone ready? Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jaden. So, for the second meeting today, do you still remember what are we going to do for today? Present our story. How was your discussion with your group? You done? And you can discuss also during presentation. Your friend can ask a question. Okay, maybe why you choose that story, or maybe what's the moral value that you got from the story. Okay? Yes? Can you? Okay. So today, make sure that everybody got your turn so we can know about the story or the writing that you made. Okay, so are you ready? But before that, Miss Ayu has a song. Do you still remember about, do you know the song of If You Are Happy song? You forgot it? So, yes, Jaga, you still remember the song? Okay, so the song is like this. So, if you're happy and you know, let's clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, let's clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know, let's clap your hand. Now your turn. You can give the idea about the movement. Miss Ayu will mention your name, so it means that you are ready to tell the movement. Are you ready?
I'm scared.
Like this. For example, if you're happy and you know, let Miss Ayu call your name, maybe Anjali, so you can say the movement.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe like nodding head, or maybe roly-poly. It's up to you. Okay, and the rest of your friends will copying. Okay, can you? Are you ready? If you're happy and you know, let's see Jaden.
Apa ya? Apa bukunya? Clap your hand.
Clap your hand. Oh, what tap your hand? What? Tap your hand. Okay, if you're happy and you know, let's tap your hand. Tap, tap. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know, let's tap your hand. If you're happy and you know, let's choose your friend. Come on, Vika. If you're happy and you know, let's. Come on, the movement.
Gini.
What?
Ini ya.
What's that? Tapping elbow. Okay, tap your elbow. Tap, tap. If you're happy and you know, let's tap your elbow. Tap, tap. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know, let's tap your elbow. Tap, tap. If you're happy and you know, choose your friend. Okay, go gede. If you're happy and you know, let's do roly-poly. Okay, roly-poly. If you're happy and you know, let's do roly-poly. Yeah, roly-poly. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know, let's do roly-poly. Okay. If you're happy and you know, let's do
Hit your friend.
If you're happy and you know, let's hit your friend. Hit the near one. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know, let's hit your friend. Hit. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. So now, are you ready to have our presentation? Ready? 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 Why not? Because today you are going to present the writing, okay, your group. Okay, so let's see the first one. The first group. Okay, ready for presentation. Hop. Okay, so first group, come on. Come on, come here. Let's join with your friend Anjali. Okay, so who will present first? Just telling about the story that you choose from 3 story that I prepared. Yeah, go. That's your friend. That's the audience, okay? Iman?
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So this is group 1 and the members are Anjali, me, Eve, Jaga and Nanda.
And also Nico, but Nico is not here today. Okay.
Listen to the story, so you will know what's the characters and the setting also, and then the event. So later when the presenter finish reading their story, so yeah.
So this is our story. I forgot to add a title. I'm so sorry. Okay. So once upon a time, a boy named Ucup. Please be quiet. Musa! Okay. A boy named Ucup was playing alone near the lake. He was running around and jumping from rock to rock while his mother was busy minding her own business. His mom suddenly saw a celebrity walking by and left the place for a bit so she could ask for an autograph. While his mom was gone, Ucup accidentally fell inside the lake. Since he didn't know how to swim, he started to drown. His mother was not aware of his screaming and cries for help, since she was busy with the celebrity. After she was done, she looked around and realized her son was missing from the lake and was gone. She saw Ucup's unconscious body in the lake and cried for help. Luckily, people came to swim and to save Ucup. Ucup survived, so his mother was left still sobbing and begging for forgiveness because she didn't pay attention to him. In the end, Ucup forgave his mother, and then his mother became more alert and pays more attention to his son. Oh, sorry, to her son. The end.
You can ask.
Moza.
Yeah, Moza. What happened to?
CPS did not exist in this timeline. Child Protection Services. You don't know what that is? Okay.
The child protection services are too lazy to
Um,
come by the river.
Next question, if there is any. Okay, what? Yes, please, thank you.
Okay, so thank you for the presentation. And then, what do you think about the event? How many events did you find there? The situation. Oh, Jaga will answer. What about you? Do you find the events? I mean, the situation because the characters already, the setting already. What about the events? So, how many events that we can find on your story? Only one. Atta?
I think
4. Okay, Atta said 4, and your group said only 1. So let's see. What are they? Okay, go.
in my opinion, the 4 events are Ucup playing in the lake, and then the second event is when Ucup's mom met a celebrity and went to him to get an autograph.
Okay.
And then the third event is Ucup drowning because he can't swim.
Okay.
And then the fourth event is the people finding Ucup and saving Ucup, and the mother begging for forgiveness.
Okay, that's the solution also, right?
Very correct. Do not listen to Jaga.
Thank you. Okay, so that's the story from first group. Okay, no more question? Anyone? Okay, thank you, first group. So that's from first group. Okay, so means that the first group already know the story. Now let's see the second group. Who are belong to second group? Here it is, the second group. Second group are Gong Atta. Wait, Gong Atta over there. Wait, Gong Atta, Gede Putra, and then Jaden, Tantri, Raisya. And Gendis. Maybe Atta will be the one who will answer the question. Okay, who will be? Okay, here.
Okay, good morning. 6-7A. So we're from group 2. So our group member is Raisya, Jaden, Gendis, Tantri, and me. And Atta. So we're presenting our narrative text. The title is The Deep Sea.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Once upon a time, a duchess named Wixie lived in a kingdom called the Foresters. She's very popular around town, and many people adored her. She had many friends and often visited orphanages or libraries to read and donate to the kids. She's very nice and has a soft heart. She's friends with Ivy, Claudia, Alex, and Daniel. They would all often go on adventures together, mostly around the town.
Not long after that, they all saw beautiful creatures, even whales, sharks, and dolphins. It looks like they are all enjoying their time and views. But then Wixie had a crazy idea. Let's go deep into the ocean, said Wixie. With so much energy, nope, no way I'm doing that, replied Daniel with a surprise. Aw, come on, Daniel, you're so boring. Come on. Who knows what we'll find, replied Wixie. Nope, I'm still not doing it, replied Daniel with concern and a bit of anger.
Yeah, go on. Yes. Who else but me?
Only you?
I helped her like
The top, the very very top one. The boxes like
everyone
events.
just
Adding the
No. They do nothing.
so later maybe when we put it into Canva then they have to be
Yes.
I've give the link in the WhatsApp group, but they don't read it all.
okay. So later then you have to discuss again, okay? Because the due date for the Canva itself should be tomorrow. So
Oh, okay.
you can ask the other friends so they got their part also into your group. Okay? Yeah. Another question? Things in the story. Yeah, so many things happen in the story. But can you find any specific things from the story?
Anything special, anything unique.
Find what's maybe the biggest problem so they can find the solution. I've learned it some before because say that the person was drastically godliness and then what's that? The one who's the mermaid is that? Mermaid. Yeah, mermaid. Mermaid. That is a mermaid.
It was
Wixie, right? Wixie, yeah. It sounds like candle wax.
Wixie brought her friends to the shore and she came to Daniel's house to apologize and regrouped with her friends.
Okay, so that's the solution. Okay, the last one. The moral value from this group. Is there anybody in this group wants to tell about the moral value? No. Share the ideas about the moral value. Do you get the moral value from your story? No. You got it already? So how's the moral value? Do you got the moral value from the story? You got it? Yeah, what's the moral value? So what story before that you choose from the text, the three texts that I prepare you? Golok Stone. Golok Stone. So do you remember the moral value of Golok Stone for the group that choose that text? The first group, I guess. Pay attention also. Yeah, pay attention also to the one who need help. Okay? Yeah, so that's the second group. Thank you for your presentation. And the next third group, come on. You're the third group.
Good morning, 6-7A. Okay, so we are from group 3, and I am Kyla. This is Moza. This is Angelica. This is Ara. That is Dira and Vigo. Okay.
Once upon a time, there lived a mother who was gifted a daughter at Christmas, and they were a reindeer family. The names of the mother was Ginger, and the daughter was named Jingle. One day, Jingle went to explore the forest, but before that, her mother said, "Stay here and don't go anywhere." Then, of course, Jingle says, "Okay, Mom." Then, when her mother
Okay, Mom. I think that is a great idea. I keep tripping out, so I can't see. Then they both returned and went back home safely.
Darn it. So that's the short story from group 3. Yeah, that's about Jingle and Ginger and Jingle.
My question is, what story did you base this off of? Kayak Batu Golok or what? Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Group 3 already done. Thank you, group 3. Okay, and then the last group. Thank you, thank you. The last group. Yeah, group 4.
Hi, so we are group 4 and we're gonna present our story. So we are a group with Jagek, Janet, Sam, Hannah, Kalista, and Krishna. What's the title? The title is Path of Sacrifice.
One day, in the world of humans, sirens, and mermaids, there was a siren named Isabel. Isabel was nice and humble. Isabel was one of the sweetest people in the palace of sirens and mermaids. And her friend Alex was not. He was one of the people who ruled the kingdom of mermaids and sirens.
Okay, so let's give comment on the story. Do you got any moral value maybe? So, what do you got from the story? Do you got any moral value? Do you got it? You don't find any moral value? I forgot it.
So the moral value is actually about someone sacrificing for everybody to be equal. Yeah, like that.
Okay. Thank you for group 4. Okay, give applause to group 4. Yeah, you may sit down. Okay, so what do you got from all of the presentation? Do you got any moral value of each of the groups? You got it? Okay, because the time is up. So, Miss I wants to know about any difficulties that you find when you're working with your groups? No. So you can do it by your group? Okay. So later I need you to revise your writing and then make it into Canva and then send it to the Google Classroom. I made the folder already. Okay. So is there anyone? I need one student to conclude. Conclude first. Okay. What? Yeah. Who's that? Okay, come on. Dede Putra, or who wants to conclude the activity that we have done just today? Okay.
Okay. So
Angelique.
So today we reviewed we read our stories, presented it to everyone. We asked them questions, they asked us questions, and that's it. Thank you for listening.
Okay, so the last session. Prayer again. The lesson. Who lead the prayer before? Jaden. Okay, Jaden, please. Yes. Thank you. Bye. 6, 7, 8.